everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your character in Once Human. If you don't like the appearance of your character, then you can easily change it. First of all, go ahead and launch open Once Human game on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're inside the main game section, go to the top right corner and tap on this little star kind of an icon. And in the pop-up, click on Cosmetics. Now, this will take you to this customization section for your character. Click on Styling from the top of the screen and select the character gender if you want. You can choose between male and female, and once you have the character, you can customize the character easily. Tap the plus button underneath the gender category, and then you can go ahead and customize the character's body, face, hair, and makeup. You can also tap the presets button and choose from the presets available. If you want to customize your own character, go ahead and tap on body. Select your height of the character by dragging the height slider left or right. You can also adjust the fitness of your character, length of legs, and so on. Similarly, you can also adjust their head and shoulders, waist, hip, chest, arms, and legs. So basically, you can adjust your character just like how you want them to appear. Now, after you are done with body, go to face tab at the top, and you can also customize your face of the character. You can adjust their hairline, forehead, temples, cheekbones, etc. Make sure that you create your character according to your preference. You can then go ahead and move on to other customization options such as eyebrows, eye colors, mouth, etc. Now, go to Hair and Makeup tab at the top, and you can also choose your skin color, skin texture, color balance for your skin. You can even add freckles, etc. You can also customize your character so far that you can add scars onto your characters and so on. So as you can see that the customization is pretty vast. Now you can also change other aspects such as hairstyles, makeup, and almost everything. And after you are done, you can click on the preset button at the bottom right and click on confirm. And there you have changed your character in Once Human. You can switch between the characters by going to the presets that you previously created or newly created. You can also keep creating new presets so that you can switch between them. And yes, you can always customize this character or edit its appearance by coming to this styling page, selecting your character and tapping on Edit Appearance. Now to apply your character, go to this character styling page, select a character and click on Use Appearance at the bottom right. Now in order to change your character, you'll need to spend a Metamorphosis token. If you have one, you can easily tap on Use Appearance and you'll be able to change your character. If you don't have one, you can also purchase it in shop. So that is how you can easily change your character in Once Human. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.